Scott Meier, Austin, Texas. Well, I feel like this is like deja vu, repeating this, because I'm trying to remember what I said in Santa Clara, so I don't, you just, go back and watch the other tape. So when we went to Santa Clara, it was an introduction to commercial. We were looking into residential, and so it was all new. It was all kind of scary, but it was like, okay, this is something that we want to look into. And we had a month to think about it, do research, try to figure out how to use that information. And when we found out that we were going to have another event in Dallas, it was a no-brainer for us. So we were excited to come here. I can tell you we're also members of the Austin REI, and we've gone to a few of those events, and it's scripted, and it's the same information every time. And we're like, all right, well, I don't need to go back and listen to the new entry. Even though you're presenting the same information, it was completely different. We got to hear some new things, which was really exciting. But what it did is it really was able to hear some of that the second time. We were able to come in with a different mindset because it wasn't brand new, so we had some basis of some foundational knowledge, and then we were able to build on it. And so instead of just going, wow, this is the art of the possible the first time, now we're going the art of the probable. What are we going to do with this now? Because we're a little bit more confident in our knowledge base. And we're really excited about it. We've kind of evolved, like a lot of these guys have said, we've evolved from, hey, that single-family residential to, no, I don't want to work for the next 40 years. I'm already 50 years old. I want to do what I can do like you, work hard, but not work incredibly hard for smaller profits on a bunch of properties, but hit that commercial and make the best use of our time as well. So we thank you for coming back to Texas. Or coming to Texas, so it is within our area to drive, and we look forward to seeing you again really soon.